Okay, so everybody thinks NFTs are going to disappear in a couple of months' time. It's just this fad thing that's going to go away. It's not. NFTs are now going to be part of your future from now until the rest of your life. Basically, everything is going to be available as an NFT. Your house is going to be available as an NFT. Your kind of artwork, your music, the books that you read are going to be available as NFTs. Even people are going to be available as NFTs. If you're a kind of sports superstar or something, if you're a kind of pop star, whatever it is you do, you could literally sell yourself as an NFT on the blockchain. Literally kind of do that. People could own you, and any kind of music, any money you make, or you could give royalties to the people that own you as an NFT. So you could sell yourself, say, for, I don't know, $50 million if you're a kind of big kind of superstar in kind of sports field or something. And any money you make from that, people could get set parts of the royalties from any money that you make in the future. If that makes sense. It's not going to make sense now, but it will make sense in 1, 2, 3 years' time. It's called fractionalized NFTs, and you're going to hear about that tomorrow or this week sometime in a YouTube video I do as well. As I'm a writer as well, I'm the kind of marketing director for NFT Lootbox, but as a writer of kind of fiction and non-fiction, I'll be able to sell NFTs. My books as NFTs, my book covers. The book cover you can see behind me just now, The Dream Dancers, just came out. I'm going to be selling limited edition covers for that as NFTs as well. But imagine if J.K. Rowling, for example, sold her Harry Potter book, an NFT cover, limited edition 20, how much they would be worth now. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to do that, I'm going to be worth that much. I'm just talking about how we can do that. It's just giving you an example. So everything is going to be available as an NFT. It's not just artwork. And a lot of people don't understand that just now, but NFTs are going to revolutionize the creative industry. This is a creative revolution. Artists, kind of pop artists, music makers, writers, authors, all of these creative types are going to be able to monetize their passion, which has been so difficult in the past. So now it's just a creative revolution that's going on, and NFTs are here to stay.